Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. Just like what I said, uh, like what I said from the previous video. I'm gonna teach you about Balisong, the basics flips. So here's the first tutorial. It called the quick draw. So how to uh, demonstrate it? The first I'm gonna show you what the quick draw looks like. So from the byte handle, that's the quick draw. You can play it slow-mo in YouTube though. And so let's break it out, the trick. First, hold the byte handle and then drop it. So the byte handle, pitch it with uh, index fingers palm, and then with thumb, and then four fingers are holding the safe handle. Just let it go and then drop it the knife. Once you get here, you have to move your four fingers back into this, and then uh, move your thumb to the right, just like this, and then fling the safe handle and the knife. uh, you push it a little bit and then go up and down. The motion is like this. And so let's break it again. From the byte handle, you pinch the byte handle with index finger and thumb finger. Drop the safe handle and the knife. It's like this, and then come back again and move your thumb finger, move your thumb, and then fling the knife up, then close it. It's like this. Once you get this, you have to make it faster, so you will get used to it. I think that's all for me from today's tutorial Balisong, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Maybe I'll give you another tutorial, or I'll tell you a story. So see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.